Hi there. Today we are going to start a new tutorial about OpenDCL, a dialog control language for AutoLISP. As usual with all languages, here we stating with Hello World. Process is as following. 1. Design a user interface. 2. Make the Lisp script. 3. And then adding all required functions to display the form and messages. You can refer the web link for OpenDCL provided in description. You need to download and install the setup file to work with this IDE. Try the stable version. This is the IDE for OpenDCL. Creating new project in File menu. And click Add Modal dialog to insert the form into our project. In this project we are going to use label, button and a text box. Inserting the all three, with their default values. Save the project in a new folder, named as OpenDCL Tutorial with file name, o1_hello_world. We need to make a Lisp script file to show this DCL file. I am using Visual Studio Code to write script file. Creating a command ll to load our script file for easy operation. Whenever you type ll, it will load this script file. So after every modification, just type ll to load the script. Making the command as hello for this project. It is must to call _opencl for each OpenDCL project. Loading the project and display the form with function DCL_form_show. Copy the first 3 lines to set command ll to our AutoCAD file. You will get confirmation dialog for each new script for the first loading. Type hello to view our form. Getting some errors. This OCL file paths should be added to AutoCAD support file list where AutoCAD will searching the name o1_hello_world. Again type command hello, yes our forms come into display. As of now, we not added any functions to this project. Now we will add just a message during form initialization. Now with the same form initialization event, we are going to set label caption to some value. For that, right-click Label and click Control Browser to see available functions defined with label or selected objects. Click Copy button of Set function and paste into script. Type LL and hello to see the modified script. Now we will add the clicked event to text button. Click checkbox of clicked and pressed button clipboard copy and save project. Save project is very essential on this OpenDCL project. Otherwise we won't get correct result. After copy, paste into Lisp script. Inside button event, we need to add getText function to read the text box value. Click again the control browser of text box and copy required function. to add form close function after our message. If you have any questions, please comment. Thanks for watching.